Okay, please. So wherever you are doing, that means your folder. So go to there and write this magic minus d xr minus t. Then this, give this technology file. Okay, then you'll get this. So Shruti, are you getting, or still you are facing problem?
Sir, I'm doing. Let me check.
Okay, please check. So for others, see here you are 22. So at least I will expect almost all to do this. Otherwise, it's meaningless. Means already we have covered one session. Again, I am doing today. Uh, Samyaranjan, yeah. So you are here. So Subham.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that class is going on, or
No, sir. It will start from 6 p.m.
okay, okay, Priyanka.
So which layout we have to draw?
Which layout?
We have to draw.
So inverter only. So just make a inverter which
Yes.
NMOS width is 1 micro and PMOS width is 2 micro. Okay.
Yes.
And channel length is 400 nano or 0.4 micro. Okay.
Sir, got it.
Hmm? Got it.
Got it.
Okay. So now everyone will get this type of screen. So who was saying that NOL is not coming?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Okay.
Satya.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So why it is not coming? So first press G. Okay. So okay. So now you will create a box first. How to create a box? You all know how to create box.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So suppose you will create a box. Now come to this window. Just write paint annual. Okay. So it's coming. So you are writing same thing. Paint
Yes,
annual.
sir. Yes, sir. After creating the box and after giving the command print,
It's coming.
the
Or not?
on.
No, first you will create a box.
Yes, sir.
Then after that you will write your
Paint
paint
annual.
annual.
Yes, sir.
Then it will come. Then what you will do?
Paint it will.
Then inside this P diffusion you have to create. Okay, for that you have to create a box. Okay, so how to create a box? Again, right click, you'll create a dot here. Again, here right click. Okay, this is a box now. Now you can write You can write P diffusion or P deep, not a problem, same thing. Okay. Paint P deep. Okay. It is also same thing. Either you can write P diffusion or P deep. Okay. And you are getting some DRC errors. Okay, so for that, to check that DRC, you have to write DRC find. Okay. So DRC find. So there are two DRC. What is the DRC saying? Annual overlap or P diffusion of P diffusion less than 6. Okay. That means from P diffusion to annual, that should be 6 box. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have given 5. That's why it is showing error. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to give at least 6. Okay. So for that, you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to add another box. Okay. Print annual. So one side DRC clear. This side also you have to clear the DRC. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So before that, I have said you have to create a PMOS that should have a 2 micron width. Okay. So here, what is the height of this one box or one track here? Can anybody say what is the height of this
1
box?
lambda.
1 lambda.
Yes, sir.
What is the value in micron?
0.2.
It is showing. You can see here. Don't be confused.
So 0.18.
0.18. Please check what is this value. It is showing clearly. So Shruti Subhra. Shruti Subhra, are you getting now? Sir, I can't get the colored squares.
Yes, sir. Now I'm getting.
Okay. So please say me, means what is the dimension of this box?
So 1 micro.
1 micro. How you are calculating this 1 micro?
So it's written
Yeah?
lambda 1 into 1 written in the
Lambda 1, but its lambda is a constant. What is that? Means in micron, what is that value?
That minus 5.2 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0.2 microns. That
0.2 microns. Who
yes,
said?
sir. Yes, sir.
Who said?
So Mratiranjan, sir.
Yeah, good. 0.2 micron. Okay. See that black dot, it's 0, 0, 0. If you will check, it is 0.2. If you will check, it's 0.2, 0.2. Okay, that means it's 0.2 micron. Okay. So for every box, it's 0.2 micron. So we need a 2 micron width. That means how much box is required?
10.
10. Okay, so here how much I have drawn? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So another 3 is required. Okay. So print annual PDF. Now it is 2 micron. Okay. Then the overlap should be, the annual overlap should be 1.2 micron or 6 boxes. 1 box I have given, another 5 I have to give. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now see, there is no DRC error. So every side you can see the overlap is more than equal to 1.2 micron. Clear? First understand the DRC rule. This is the overlap rule. P diffusion to NOL. Now what will make? For NMOS, N diffusion is required. Okay. So for that, this is P substrate. No need to draw the POL, or you can draw POL also, not a problem. So again 6 box. Now here you have to draw the P diffusion, N diffusion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's required 1 micron. That means 5 boxes required. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now paint it. And diff. So everyone clear?
Yes, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, by mistakenly I have drawn another box of N diffusion. How to clear that? Can you please tell me?
You can erase that. Select that how much you have drawn. Then you
Okay.
can erase that means level name.
Okay.
Erase,
Okay.
erase NOL or erase. First, how much you want to erase? Select that. Create a box over that. Then erase.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it.
Or you can do undo several times.
So what is 5 micron?
What is?
5 micron is the length of what?
5 micron, not 5 micron. I said 1 micron for NMOS. Okay,
1
for
micron.
that 5 boxes required. So you can see, means if you make 5 boxes of it, then it will be 1 micron.
Okay.
Getting? Ashwini?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So please everybody do this. Because last class you just see how to do this thing. Now you have to do this. Okay. So if you have any problem or facing any problem, I will help you. Nikita, you are doing? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, how much you have covered?
Sir, I have covered till end diffusion.
Okay. So Jilmil, you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pragya? Rinki, you are doing?
Yes, sir.
Rudra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please do. If you are getting any problem, please ask me. Okay. So once you'll complete up to this, then ask me.
So what should be the channel length?
Channel length. Channel length 0.4 micro. Paint poly. Instead of poly, you can write paint red also. That same thing. Okay. If you write paint blue or paint green, paint brown, this also you can do. So this is the DRC. You have to check the DRC also. Poly overhang of transistor. Okay. Less than 2. You have to make 2. So minimum metal width should be how much?
3.
Hmm?
3.
3 boxes or 0.6 micron. Okay.
Yes.
Paint metal one you can do, not metal one, metal CPM one you can do.
Sir, how much length of metal one we can take?
Length, yeah, length after you will calculate after doing this contacts, after doing all the transistor connection, you will do the metal length. So you can cut initially you draw a metal length.
Yes, sir.
First create the transistor. Okay.
So if more metal will be there, there will be no extra
More,
capacity.
what is?
More metal will be there. So if more metal will be there, then there will be more capacitance,
Yes,
parasitic.
more capacitance, more area also. So that's what I'm saying. So based on the DRC rule, you will optimize that. So that's a first
Okay.
draw your transistor. What is the optimum transistor width, height, everything. Then based on that, you will design your, you will draw your metal.
Okay.
Okay. So lot of things you learn here. Actually, from here you have to learn what is the complete DRC. Okay, what is the minimum metal width and what is the minimum contact width, what is the overlap of that NOL. So first know this from this exercise, then do a standard set. Okay, so this is the main aim of this today's lab. So that lab was how to do. So now that you know, so now do and check all the DRC rules. So here the diffusion contact width. Okay. So its minimum is 4 cross 4. Okay. 4 means it's 0.8 into 0.8. Or any side it should be 0.8, 0.8 micron. Okay. It is saying it's 0.8, 0.8 minimum. Then you can check what is the minimum spacing between two contacts. Okay, so that is on DRC. So minimum spacing should be 0.06, 0.6 micron. Okay, this is very important. And this. Okay, so you can make, this is the optimum transistor. Okay, the drain region. This side also source region, you can do same thing. Erase, P diffusion. Okay, so now this is your P transistor. So check, this is the drain area, source area, this is the drain area, and this is the contact. So this is the showing that error. Please check what is that error. So DRC find 6. Okay, so you have to erase. And if So everyone completed this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so completed that NMOS also. So please try.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So now,
what is the contact dimension we can take?
what is the?
Contact dimension. Metal one
Oh.
contact dimension.
Yeah, contact dimension, actually minimum contact dimension is 0.8 into 0.8 micro. Okay, 0.8 micro
Yes,
into
sir.
0.8 micro minimum dimension.
Okay.
So I can't put two contacts here. So that's why I have made a huge contact, that is 8 micro, 1.6 micron into 8 micron. Okay, single contact I have given.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, here you can make a contact 1, 2, 3, 4. So six, 7, 8, NDC. Okay. So this side also you can do same thing. Okay. So the extra area you can delete also. Erase and this. Okay. So now this is the optimum transistor. So now again you can check how much down you can come here, the metal. So paint metal. So there is no error, it's okay. So if you come again, yeah, that's error. Okay, so maximum you can come to this point. Erase M1. So this is 0.3 input. Erase M1. So clear. Here also you can do same thing. Is it audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sorry, actually my broadband got down, so that's why. Okay, so where we are? Yeah, okay, fine. So here also you can do same thing. So you can
Screen
draw
not visible.
screen not visible. Okay, I have to share. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So now see, you can draw the ground metal. Okay, minimum 0.6 micron. Okay, so that is you can draw its paint. And one. Yeah. Switch. Okay. So what is the next thing? So you will connect these two.
So there are DRC error.
So yeah, DRC error, two DRC error is there. So you'll check. So where is the DRC error? Yeah. So here in the bottom side, that is a DRC error because it should be 0.6 micron away. Okay, metal to metal spacing should be point. Where is my layout? Okay, so metal to metal spacing is minimum is 0.6 micron. Okay, we have given it 0.4. So that's why error is there. So we'll do that. So what we'll do? So we'll delete that. So erase metal one. Okay, so this is okay. Then so what we will do, you will add here. So paint metal one. Okay. So now it's okay.
Yes.
So this thing you can do also, not a problem. Okay. So you can, there is no error, still you can do this. And you can remove erase M1. Okay, so now what you will do, you will connect this metal to this metal. Okay, source to VDD. This is VDD, source to VDD. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a metal. So this is a metal. So put a metal one. Okay. Okay. slow. Okay. So paint M1. Now this is metal one. So there is no DRC. Okay. Same thing also you can do here. And so slow. Okay. So this is metal one. Again, you will put metal one. So there is no DRC. Now put metal one this to this. So to this. Okay. So metal one, there is no DRC error anything. So now what you will do? So you can reduce this up to this only, not a problem. So you can delete this. Similarly, this side also you can do. Okay. Here also same thing you can do. It's very slow. I don't know why. So everyone facing same thing. It's slow.
No, sir.
Okay. It's my side is completely slow. Don't know why. It's responsive. Wait, it's very slow. I don't know. Okay, so erase and what I have erased. So it's not really. Oh, okay. Similarly, this side also you can erase. Okay, so now what you will do, you will put NOL contacts and P diffusion contacts. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for NOL contact and P diffusion contact, the contact it should take at least 4 micron is 0.8 into 0.8. So if you will put here, then you have to expand this, otherwise it will not. So it's you have to increase to top of that. So I am getting slow error. You have to save then. So it's inverter STD. So actually I have to stop then again start because I don't know why it's so slow. Okay. So now what we will do? So we have to put P diffusion it's NOL contacts. So for that, at least you have to give it 0.8 micron, otherwise it will not work. Okay. So then okay. So now we'll put that contact. So what is that contact? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So you can put one contact here. So the contact is NOL to metal 1 contact. Okay. So NOL contact you can directly write vent N-OL contact. So what is the DRC error? DRC find. So diffusion space to diffusion contact 4 micron. Means 4 means 8 micron, 0.8 micron. What is the problem? So everyone doing or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where you are now? So undo UNDU. So please do, because so what we'll do, because we will increase this 1, 2, 3, 4. So thing is now you will make a contact here. Okay. So send N-OL contact. Okay, N-OL contact. Again, it's showing. Okay, what is that? DRC find N-OL overlap. Yeah, N-OL overlap of N-omic. Yeah, so this will be.
Sir,
Yeah.
we have to increase
One,
the that anvil, sir, I think.
Yeah, N-OL. You have to extend N-OL. So paint N-OL. Okay, so this is okay now. So similarly, the difference is 0.6. So you can put another contact here. Okay, so you can put another contact here. Paint. So now one side is completed. So bottom side you can do same thing. So what you will do? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first make it 6. It's now 3. Make it 6. So paint M1. Okay. So now everything show. So this is one contact you can put. So paint what? This say what contact you need here? Which contact I have to put here in the ground? See, those who are not doing, at least give the answer. So there is no piece of contact, but we have to POL contact. Okay, so it is so and for two.
So it will be P substrate P contact.
P substrate,
Yes.
or you can make it P oil contact. देखते हैं. So faint PW contact. Is it taking or not? Yeah, it's taking. P-oil contact or annual contact, same thing. Okay. So my side is too much slow. Okay. So so now it's completed. So now what you'll do? You will give the name. Okay. Input output VDD ground. So here what you will do? This is ground. So label G and D. So this explanatory symbol is nothing but it's global. Okay. So only ground means certain name. It's global. Some space. So now you can make it ground. Then go to VDD. What is so slow? So make it VDD. Okay. So up to what you have done? My system is too slow. So everyone computed up to this? Yes or no?
So metal contact FPP.
Hmm?
So in the ground metal contact, which metal contact is there? M1 contact.
No, that level is ground only. This is my M1.
No sir, two contacts are there in the ground.
Oh, that is that
M1
contact.
contact.
POL.
Yes.
You can PW contacts. You can write, or P substrate P contact.
So that VDD part again, can you show that?
Yeah, it's, sometimes it's very slow. It's not. It's like hang. Yeah, it's coming. Yes.
So no, in the command part.
Oh, command. Okay. So, so what do you want? Do you want to put contacts in the
No,
BDD?
sir, no, sir. So no, I had done, but that labeling part I didn't.
A label, LABEL, label.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
slash
right.
BDD.
Completed.
Sir, the contacts and the vias are the same thing or different?
Contacts.
And the vias are the same thing or different?
Actually, here from the this front end level, from poly to metal or diffusion to that metal or NOL or P substrate to metal, that is called contacts. So if you'll come to that metal 1 to metal 2 or metal 2 to metal 3, that is via. That's generally
Okay.
called via, but this internal thing is called contact.
Okay, sir.
So now we'll put metal 1 to poly contacts. Okay. So for that contact also, then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here you can do okay. So you can do a poly here, draw a poly. So poly paint. Okay. Then from here to do a paint metal one. Okay. So now in this area you can put a poly contact. Okay. So paint poly. Now we can give the name in label in. and this one you can give level out. And this one how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can remove also some part. This side also. Okay. Okay, so there is no dear sharer. So now tell me, so what will be the your PR boundary? So, so contact to contact distance minimum 0.6. Okay. And what is the minimum OD to this active to active distance? That you have to check. Otherwise, you can't. So put a active here. Check. It's very slow from my side. It's too slow. Okay, so So just to draw here P diffusion and check what is the minimum distance between that P dip to P dip. Okay. So paint P dip and DRC fine. So 3, okay, 0.6 should be. So 3 means is 2. Yeah, so boundary should be in the middle. So here. So here boundary, you have to put here boundary here. Okay, so paint metal wall. Similarly, this side. So delete this, erase, edit. Okay, so now so this is your inverter. Okay, so this will be your PR boundary here. So you will put another inverter here and you will check DRC, then it will not show any error. So that's my your metal also. Yeah, so it's okay. So everyone getting this? So now this will be your minimum height for a, if you make a standard cell, okay, with P mass 2 micron and 1 mass micron. So this will be your minimum height. So you can measure what is the height. So it's from this. So 4.4. Okay. So 4.4 micron total height. So if you make PR boundary from the center of this, then it will be so 0.6, 0.6. So 1.2 will reduce. It is 4.4,
3.2. 3.2.
3.2.
Yes.
So that will be your 3.2 micron total height. So from that, this is 2 micron. No, it's 3. No, this is 0 and 4. Yeah, it's 4. No, it's 0. It is 0. Now this center is 3.8. So it will be so 4 plus 3.8 is 7.8. Yes or no? Because 0 is here, 0 is here. So if you measure from this center to this center, so that will be 7.8. Okay, 7.8 micron. And if we make that PR boundary from here to here, so this is a 0 and this is 3.6. Okay, it's 3.6 by 7.8. Okay, so the width of this inverter is 3.6 micron and the height is 7.8 micron.
0.4,
0.
0.46, sir.
What is
Micron.
that 0.46 you are saying?
But you know that 3.6 divided by the whole 7.8.
Total height you are saying? No, what you are saying, I am not getting. So everyone drawn this or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is very important part. Once you will draw, means if you will able to draw this, then what you can do that extract all. That means you can create the net list. Then you can also create the spice file. So then you will do the LVS. Important is this drawing part. Okay. For that you have to just means put some commands, so automatically it will create your spice files. I don't know. So this is very slow. What do you layout? Okay, so we close this. Okay. So now with this dimension, so can you draw a NAND gate? So this is inverter. Okay, one input, one output. So for 2 input NAND gate, can everybody can draw a NAND gate? Yes or no? So I think everyone completed with this inverter layout. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes, sir.
dimension is,
Mm-hmm.
the total dimension is what? The height, total height of the inverter?
So total height is 7.8. Okay. So from center to center, it's 7.8 micron.
Yes. So my dimension is not accurate. I have to change.
Mm-hmm.
My dimensions are not accurate, sir. I have to change something.
Then, so why I'm doing this means standards means you have to do with minimum area. Okay. So this is the standard height for this 2 micron PMOS and 1 micron NMOS. This will be the height. So in this height you have to do your other gates also. So that's why I have drawn this. So just raise your hands. How many of you completed this layout? So Bhakti Ranjan, Alok, Ashwini, Chaitali. Then so only 4. What about others? So Jackie, you are doing okay. So Abhishek, you are not doing. Pragya, Sumit Tripathi, so Bhakti Ranjan, Alok, Chaitali. So why we are not doing others? Then why I'll teach you this thing? You are not doing. This is completely practical things. It's not theory. Okay, so practical means you have to do. If you'll not do, you'll see it's not.
Sir,
Hmm.
hello.
Yes.
Sir, after drawing the whole layout, can we change the animal dimensions?
Can you say again? What you are saying?
And if after drawing the whole layout, can we change the end diffusion dimension or p-diffusion dimension?
Yeah, you can edit that. Yes. You save
So there are
again.
many.
Yeah, again do whatever change you want to do. You can do over that.
There is a poly metal contact. Then everything we have to change again.
No, you can change.
Okay.
So those who have completed, please send your snapshot. I just want to know how it is looking like. Just take a photo and send me the snapshot. Those who have completed.
Will send in the group.
In that WhatsApp group, you can send.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, so for other files you can see like same way. Okay, so VIM. If you want to spice file, std spice. So direct. So now you can see. So in the spice file, so two transistors, that is NMOS and PMOS. So the top one is NMOS. Okay, that is, you can say it's 1 micro. We have taken 1 micro. EL is equal to 0.4 micron. Okay, so this thing AD, area of drain, perimeter of drain, area of source, perimeter of source, it is calculated from this L and W. Okay, this W is given. So from that value it's calculated. Because we have given W is equal to 1, and also that width of that diffusion region. So if you want to see that, just here go to the layout. So this diffusion region you can see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 means it's 1.2 micron. So diffusion width, it's diffusion length. Okay, so that's why it is, you can see it's 1.2 into 1, that is 1.2 pico. Similarly perimeter. Okay, so it's 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1 plus 1, that's why it's 4.4. Similarly AS 1.2 pico and PS perimeter of source is 4.4 micron. Okay, so here for PMOS we have taken 2 micron. Okay, that's why it's giving 2 micron. Similarly, the area of drain, perimeter of drain, area of source, perimeter of source is calculated. Clear? Next is, these are the parasitic capacitances. Parasitic capacitance between V out and V in. Okay, so V out to V in, what is the parasitic capacitance? 0.05 femtofarad. Then C1 VDD to out. From VDD, see where it is coming. So it said V in to V out. So in between these two, this is metal 1, this is metal 1, this is poly. So from these to this, the interwire capacitance is coming. Then VDD to V out. So this is VDD, this is V out. Okay, this is also VDD. So from this some interwire capacitance, from this some interwire capacitance, that due to that some capacitance you are getting. So VDD to V in, ground to V in, ground to out. So these capacitance you are getting. Okay, these are the capacitance. Out to in, VDD to out, VDD to in, out to ground, in to ground, VDD to ground. Okay, so VDD to ground, this capacitance, why it is so big? So this is VDD. Okay, so its metal is too wide. Okay, so due to that the metal to the bottom capacitance. Okay, so everything is connected to ground, so that's why this VDD to that bottom, so that capacitance is too high. It's 1.66 femto. VDD to ground, into ground. Okay, everyone understood this spice file?
Yes, sir.
So then what we will do when you will do the simulation? So this is your spice netlist. Okay, so initially whenever we are doing a inverter simulation, what we are doing? Just we are writing these two transistors, then we are adding the sources. Okay, B in or VDD, that sources, we are doing the dot control statement we are writing. So inside that run, then whatever we want to plot, we are doing. So now these are the extra things added, that parasitics. Okay, So due to that, your delay will increase, rise time, fall time will increase. Okay, so that you will see. So everyone understanding what is the logic behind this?
Yes, sir.
So clear? So yes, okay. So now for LVS, okay. So generally for LVS, what we are doing? So either you will create a schematic in SU2 and create that netlist and compare with, or you can write a netlist. Okay, write a netlist means same thing you will write M0 out in ground instead of n theta you will write that SCMOS n. Okay, you will put W is equal to 1, L is equal to 0.4, M is equal to 1, that thing, and M2 this. Okay, so you will do the similar LVS. So here LVS will not pass because these are the parasitic added. So if you delete this, if you do the LVS, then automatically it will means clear the LVS. Just I'll to know that I'll show you it here. So what I will do? Okay, now you do one thing. So create a VIM. So inverter underscore std dot sp. Okay. So create a file. Okay, so escape. Okay, so now copy. So move inverter underscore std dot file to inverter dot sp. Okay, so now ls. Now see, one is inverter underscore std sp, another is where is spice. Oh sorry. Okay, so
Second column, third row.
okay, so vi inverter underscore std underscore dot spice. Okay, so cp so inverter to okay. So now you can check. So one is inverter underscore std cp, another is inverter underscore spice. So if you check, both are same. Yes or no? Because just I have copied. So both are same. So it should clear the means if you check the LVS between these two, then definitely you will get that it will pass. So now what you will do? Just do netgen. So I'll add another tab. Okay. So here you write netgen. Okay. So now do LVS. So inverter underscore std spice to inverter underscore std SP. Okay. So you can check. So comparison of local comp dot out. Okay. So now what you will do, you will compare. So means you can check the compare. So less conf dot out. So equate pin cell name input has no element, cell has no pins. Okay, we have to check that. Whether that is so VIM inverter underscore std sp. Oh, there's nothing there. Okay. We have so spice. So yeah, so we have deleted that. Actually, it's not nothing inside there. So what we'll do, we can create again also, not a problem. So here x2 spice. Okay, so now we can check less. So VIM yeah, so it's coming. So okay, so now so CP spice to inverter std sp. Okay, ls. So now you can check VIM inverter for std underscore dot sp. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so now you can check it. So go to here. So let it in. Okay, so LVS, then inverter for std dot spice. So std. Okay. So now you can see the comparison. So though both are same, so you can see total C is equal to 6 number of components in both circuits. Okay, NFET1, PFET1. Here also same. Okay, so you can check its comp out also, you can check same thing. So now you can see here. So So NFET 1, PFET 1, then number of devices C, that is 6. Total number of devices 8, and total number of nets is equal to 4. So everyone clear this or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is extracted. Actually, if you will do the means LVS, so that part, extraction part, you can delete, okay, and you can compare with your means whatever spice netlist you have created initially for schematic, okay. So
Yes.
Ashwin, you are getting?
No, sir. I have not completed the layout series.
Sir, after
The layout,
Yes, yes. What?
sir,
the
after
layout is
doing
not completed yet.
I'm not getting. Who is saying? Please, can you repeat again? Hello. Okay, so we are writing in the chart. What is it? Sir, you are not written underscore yesterday. Where, Ratranjan, where I have not written underscore yesterday?
no, sir, that previous one, you just copied that again.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, thanks. Okay, so everyone getting means acquainted now. So how
Yes,
to
sir, yes, sir.
draw the layout, how to do the extraction, how to do the sim means that LVS. So now, okay, so very few are doing. That's why I'm what I'll do. So just practice the NAND gate, NOR gate, all this gate you have to, because in the next means next classes. So this is Monday. So tomorrow Tuesday.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the NAND gate, we have to give that 2 input, no? Like 2 input, 1 output, same the layout, but we have to give another input by checking that thing, no?
Yes, for NAND gate, what will do means just I'll show you what to do. Okay, so this is you can. So what is this? So what you will do? File. Okay, so what okay. So save. So new. So give a name NAND gate. NAND. Okay. So now for NAND gate, there will be 2 inputs. Okay. So NAND gate, you know how to, what is the NAND gate structure? So 2 NMOS in parallel and 2 PMOS in series. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 NMOS in parallel means, so you can do in this way. I'm just doing. Today is my side is very slow. I'm unable to. Yes, I'm coming after some time. So I'll stop everything. I'll start again. So I'll stop this VM. Stop. Okay, you can start. So I'll not use it. So what I'll do, just so okay, so see. So what we will do for NAND gate. So this is your NAND gate. This is PMOS. These two are NMOS. So this is A, this is B. So make it A, this is B. Okay. So this will connect to this and this one. So this is your VDD and this is your output. This is down, this is down. So for that, what you will do? So our height is fixed. So we will not increase the height. So for these two MOS, you will draw a diffusion like this. And so gate will be in one diffusion you will do. So this is one transistor, this is one transistor. Okay. Separate diffusion will not do. In single diffusion, you can do two transistors. Two gates means two transistors. So here this part. Okay. Which part will be common? So either you will make these two is ground, this is common. This is common means drain of these two. Okay. So this is common. So this is your drain. Now similarly here also two transistors will do. Now this is suppose your A, this is B transistor. Okay. So your A will be. So after that you will connect this A to A. Okay. So now see this part. This part is nothing but this. So it will go to VDD. Okay. And this A and this A, it will connect. Okay. And this part is not connected to anywhere. Okay. So no need to connect this thing. Then this is B, you will connect. So this point is your output. That means this is your output. Okay. So you will draw a metal like this. Okay. And this is your also output. So then your metal will be like this. Okay. So this is your output. So here input, one input, here also one input. So here how to draw that one input, because this is one metal. If you make another metal, you have to check the spacing, metal to metal spacing. Minimum 0.6 micrometer should be there. Okay. So you have to draw in that way. And this will be ground. This will be ground and this will be ground. Okay. So contacts all the piece of contact here, piece of contact here. So this is VDD. Okay. So this is annual contact. So everyone getting this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Getting
So
that.
can you able to do this?
Yes, sir. I can try, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So please do this, because if you do two to three layout, then when you will do the SRAM layout, then it will be easy for you. Okay, because in SRAM total that 6 transistors are there. Okay, because it's 4 transistors. If you do it once you practice this, then that 6 transistor you will do, because that layout should be very means what compact. Within very small area you have to do that is 60 SRAM layout. So that's why you have to know all these rules, and you have to practice all these layouts. Okay, so so now you will do, or you will do by your own when you will get time. So it's about 5. So if you do by your own, then we can stop here. Otherwise, if you have any doubt, please ask.
Sir, we will try first. If anything comes up, we will contact you.
Okay. So please try this NAND gate layout. Okay. So what you will do? Do the NAND gate. Take that 2 micron PMOS width 2 micron and NMOS width 1 micron. Okay. So complete the layout and do the extraction. Okay. And also you can do the LBS also by creating some schematics with that netlist. Okay. So after that, if you want, you can simulate also. NAND gate you can do the simulation 1001. You can check what is the output is coming. Okay, that in transient analysis you can do. So please do this. So tomorrow, I think we'll start from that SRAM part. Sir, I think Sir will take the class tomorrow. So till now, anyone have any doubt regarding this layout?
No, sir.
Okay. So then we'll stop here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. So
Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. we'll meet again. Okay. Thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.